water we cannot talking together. It's good because we can speak direct. So we use the signal. So this signal is okay. So if I ask you everything okay, you say everything okay. This signal is something wrong. So if I ask you okay and you don't feel good, you say something wrong and you show what's wrong. So all the time when we stay underwater, I will show you the exercise. I will use this signal. You look at me.